Hello and welcome all. I, Professor Ashish Apte, Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS IOIT Pune. Today we will see involved of a circle. So, involved means it is a locus of a free end of a string when it is wound around a circular pole. Involved means a locus of a free end of a string when it is wound around a circular pole. Now, steps to draw involved. First of all, draw a circle. The radius is given in the example. So, draw the circle of given radius. Then, divide this circle into 8 equal part, 12 equal part. Uh, I can divide in 12 or 8 as per our requirement. The point P or the end of P string AP is exactly pi d circumference away from A, means if the string is wound around the circle, it will completely cover given circle. B will meet A after winding. This is A and B pi d and A and B pi d. So B will exactly meet A after winding. Now divide pi d AP, that this line AP into 8 number of equal parts, because we are dividing this circle into 8 number of equal parts. If I divide into 12, then I have to divide this AP into 12 equal parts. So divide it into 8 equal parts. Then don't forget to numbering, that is 1, 2, 3 up to the 8. Then draw the tangent from 1, 2, 3, 4, all the points up to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 8. Then take C to 1 as a radius. Where is this? C to 1 as a radius. Draw a tangent from this and then C to 1 as a radius. Draw a arc or cut the first line. Then 2 to P as a radius, 2 as a center, and cut the second line. Is my second point, P2 is the first P1. Then 3 to P is a radius, this 3 to P. 3, third point here, this is my center point. Then intersect this line, this tangent, and I am getting here P3. Then 4 to P is a radius, 4 is a point, and then 4 is my center point, and cut the or intersect this tangent. I am getting P4. Then 5 to P as a radius, fifth as a center, and then intersect this by using compass. So I'm getting a P5. Then 6 to 8, 6 to P, 8 or 6 to P as a radius, 6 as a center, intersect this tangent. Then I'm getting here P6. Then 7 to P as a radius and cut here. Intersect this 7 as a center and intersect this tangent. I'm getting here the 7 point, and P is on the same point, so it is on here. Then draw a smooth curve. Join all this one, P to P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, and P8. So this is required involved. I'm again repeating this step. First, we have to draw a circle. The radius is given in example. Draw the circle. Then divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Then give numbering, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 8. Then find out the circumference of a circle, that is pi d. We know that multiply pi into d, and then draw a horizontal line from this point, this end, and mark a distance. If I divide the circle into 8 equal parts, then I have to divide this pi d into 8 equal parts. Then next, we have to draw a tangent from this point, that is 1, 2, 3 up to the 7. That is from 1, draw a tangent. I don't know, extend it. Then 2 to 3, extend. I don't know where it is intersects. Then third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and no need to draw. It already extended. Then 1 to P as a radius, 1 as a center, and mark a arc or cut the first tangent. The intersection point is my, this point is my P1. Then 2 to P as a radius, 2 as a center, and cut the second line, second tangent, and this point is P2. Then 3 to P as a radius, 3 as a center, cut the third tangent. Then 4 to P as a radius, 4 as a center, cut the fourth tangent. This is my P4. Then 5 to P as a radius, 5 as a center, cut the fifth tangent. 6 to P as a radius, 6 as a center, cut the sixth tangent. Then 7 to P as a radius, cut the seventh tangent is P7, and P8 means P and 8 as on the same point, lies on the same point. So this here. Then join P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P4 up to the P8. So this is required involved. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.